So one of my subscribers were asking me that, is slime a complete liquid? Hey guys, what's up? Ronio from Helmods, and today we're gonna show you how tube sealant or slime actually works. And there is also gonna be a part of the video where I'm gonna show you how to put this inside your tube. So now we're gonna put slime inside the tire and show you tubeless के लिए. We're gonna put this inside the tube and show you how it actually works and how it blocks the air. Putting slime inside your tires and tubes is very easy and pretty simple. What you need to do is take slime, open up the bottle cap, remove the seal, take out the valve properly, release all the air, and then connect the bottle with your tube or tire in case of a tubeless one. Squeeze out all the slime in the bottle into your tires and then give it a proper spin and it's ready. It's that simple. In case of a tubeless tire, don't worry. The procedure is almost the same. Just you're not putting slime inside your tubes but the tires directly. And don't forget that both tubeless and tube tires are different, so slime also comes in two different variants. Now, pump up your tire once again after putting slime and rotate it properly and it will be ready for usage. After we pumped up the air inside the tube, we really needed to spread it properly in order for the slime to work, and the most scientific method that we came up with was this. Does the 600 rupees green liquid you have invested in money in really works? First, when so much of green liquid came out, I thought it was not going to work, but no. The tire was not in proper motion and there was no pressure on the tire or the tube. Now what happens is, when the tire is in motion, the slime gets spread by the centrifugal force of the tire and works much more efficiently than this. The next few more tests are gonna prove it. As you can see, the tire has been sealed by the slime after applying a little bit of pressure with my hand. During the second puncture test, we thought that what would happen if you have two punches on the same day. After putting the nail, the slime instantly seals the second puncture and there was very minimum air leak. Although slime is not a permanent solution for tire punches, it's definitely going to give you those extra critical more kilometers that you would need to go to the nearest tire repair shop. This thing was leaking just now, and when the wheel starts spinning, it stops leaking by the centrifugal force of the tire and gets equally distributed among the tube and stops leaking. Pretty good, huh? Who thought that this green thing actually works?
Yeah, it feels like a Hulk.
It feels like a green Hulk in your tire, man. Now we decided to go a bit extreme and poke as much as holes we can. We did almost 12 holes on the same patch. I don't think that anybody of you are going to have such a puncture. And so close. Punches so close. The slime instantly seals it and stops leaking air. Though slime is not a permanent solution for tire punches, it can really save you from the harassment of a puncture. In case of a tubeless tire, when you pull out the nail, it seals it instantly from inside. So we already have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 holes in total on the same patch. 13, 14. Total 14 holes on the tube and it's still maintaining the pressure. Now we're going to do something new. We are not going to use a pin, but we're going to use a knife and demonstrate if something bigger than a pin goes inside your tire, what happens.
Knife?
हाँ भाई, पत्थर भी इतना ही होता है. अच्छा, इससे ज़्यादा होता है. So let's start with it.
Yeah.
The puncher was not fixed instantly just because I forgot to put proper pressure after so much of testing, and I also forgot to spin it properly before doing this test. Otherwise, I believe slime would have done its job perfectly and sealed the hole instantly. Thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you guys did, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to Helmods for more interesting helmet DIYs. Sorry यार, हेलमेट के बारे में बहुत दिनों से नहीं दिया।
Predator दो।
दे दूंगा।
We want
दे दूंगा।
Predator.
Predator B is coming soon, guys. I am working on the Predator B. The Predator A version or the first Predator version was not at all that great or not at all great according to the finishing, so I'm not doing that. I'll be doing the Predator B and uploading it आशा करते हैं within 2018. And don't
Wow.
forget to follow on Instagram.
Facebook.
I'm an artist. So one of my subscribers were asking me that is slime a complete liquid? No, slime is not a complete liquid. It has small fiberglass particles inside that liquid, which actually seals the puncher.